I'm Charlotte.
Okay.
And I'm Chris.
And this is...
Combustion.
Woo! I just totally missed your face and got your boobs for part of that. Oopsies. What's your name?
Whatever I want to be my name.
Okay. Let's make introductions in science club.
Yeah.
What's your name?
We'll have our own video where we're just...
Ow.
Punch it.
You guys, you have to introduce yourself.
I'm Sam. I'm awesome.
Desi, what's your name?
It's my turn. Ready? It's my turn.
No. You're gonna get on my
Boy.
Josh phone.
Josh, what's your name?
Desi, hold it. Desi, hold
Josh.
What's your name? You in the pink shirt, what's your name? Okay, and you? And there's Miss Lapp and Mr. LePatra over. Zoom over there. No, don't move away. Nine. Oh, they're preparing. Put your goggles on, boy. Guys, you're gonna do something fun.
Guys, everybody give me behind the counter.
Heavy explosive.
On the counter or behind? And everybody get goggles if you want to be in the room.
We are messing with heavy explosive. Everybody get out of the
Chris, you can't say it too far away though, because I want to get your reaction too.
Yeah, we want to see you jump for 3. I'm not standing like right up next to the thing and putting it over.
Why? Okay, guys. What?
Wait. Haley and Michelle, can you move away?
No.
Okay, wait,
Sam, you don't have goggles on. Come on. Everybody, goggles over their eyes. Okay? Here. We're ready.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chris hit a chair this time.
That was pretty good.
Very nice.